Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get Ryanair coupon codes. If you're looking to save money on your next flight, finding and using these codes can help you get discounts on your bookings, making your travel more affordable. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to the Ryanair official website. Type https://www.ryanair.com into the address bar. This is where you'll eventually book your flight, but first, we need to find those money-saving coupon codes. Keep this tab open as you'll return to it shortly. Next, open a new tab in your browser. We're going to visit a trusted coupon code website that specializes in gathering valid discount codes. Navigate to https://www.myvouchercodes.co.uk/Ryanair. This particular page is dedicated to Ryanair offers, making your search much easier. These coupon websites regularly update their codes, so you're likely to find current and working discounts here. Once you're on the coupon website, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Ryanair coupon codes into this search field and press enter. This will filter the results to show you all available Ryanair discount codes. You'll see various offers displayed, each with different terms and potential savings. Some codes might offer percentage discounts, while others could provide fixed amounts off your booking. Now comes the important part. Browse through the list of available codes carefully. Look for one that best matches your travel plans and offers the most value. When you find a suitable code, click on either Get Code or Copy Code button next to it. This action will copy the coupon code to your clipboard, making it ready to paste when you book your flight on the Ryanair website. Make sure to read any terms and conditions associated with the code, as some may have restrictions on travel dates or destinations. And there you have it, you've successfully found Ryanair coupon codes that you can now use during your flight booking process to save money on your travels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.